This is how I set myself out to become a freelancer, and eventually created my company, built a team, and scaled to 6 figures. So I went to Fiverr.com, and I saw that everyone was selling services for $5. Logo designs, graphic designs, content writing. I wanted to make more money, so I searched for that which kind of services can make me at least $100 or at least $200 a pop. $100 an order. I got to know about animation videos. Then I went to google.com and I searched for how can I make animation videos. I got access to this tool called Powtoon. So Powtoon is a tool using which you can create animation videos. I went to Facebook groups, found people. There were these groups about people who launch software, they launch their courses, and these people need animation videos. I started having conversations with them, started getting my clients. Then I went live on Fiverr.com, got my first sale, scaled up. And while we were scaling up, because I knew how to make animation videos using Powtoon, I had no technical knowledge about Photoshop or Adobe, other Adobe software. I hired someone who did. So hired somebody. Now I was not making animation videos anymore. I was marketing. I took this business to $3,000 a month. Then we built a website, invested that money, whatever profits we had, to build a very beautiful website. Then started marketing our animation video services on LinkedIn. Started hiring salespeople, and now I was the CEO in there. I had animation video creators, I had freelancers who were creating scripts and doing voiceovers and all that stuff. I had a marketing and sales guy. That's it. Cool. And while this was going on, I had another opportunity in front of me. I thought that if I can make money this way, why can't I teach other people to do it? I can do that, right? So I started teaching people how to build their animation video businesses. So we launched a course. We launched a couple of courses, and that course taught people how to make money on Fiverr through animation video services. Exactly what I did. We made $100,000 from that business, the education business. We made $100,000 from the animation video business in the next 2 years, and we made $100,000 from programs and giving done-for-you services about building animation video businesses in the next 1 year as well, which is beautiful. So that's how we were able to create an opportunity